I'm going to briefly go over all of the sections covered in this course. We'll start by going over the app design, where we'll plan the API, we'll be creating and list all the various technologies we'll need to build it. Then we'll look at how to prepare our system by installing the various tools that we'll need during the development. After that, we can move on to the project setup, where we'll create our project on GitHub, write Docker file and Docker Compose configuration, set up code, checks, and start a new Django project. Next, we'll configure our database by installing our Postgres adapter, configuring Django to use our database, and learn about migrations. That allows us to move on to creating our user model, which will be the first database model we add to our project. Then we will enable Django Admin, which can be used to manage data in the database through the web browser. Once that's working, we can enable our automated API documentation, which can be used to test our APIs and share them with others. Next, we'll implement the meat of our app, the API endpoints for managing users, recipes, tags, and ingredients. Finally, we'll put the icing on the cake by adding support for image uploads and filtering of recipes. We'll also have an upgrade section where we'll add videos when new versions of the Django or other dependencies become available.